You could be anywhere in the world right now, but you're here with me, Expediting America. Right now, I'm currently in the back of the van, and we've been putting in bids all day long, probably 9 or 10 bids throughout the day. And I think we got one. We're gonna wait to hear back from dispatch to see if we got it. It's through a different company, and I'll be telling you guys more about these companies when I get more rapport with them and feel comfortable enough to give you guys good information about them. But uh, we still haven't locked it in. I don't have the paperwork yet, so I really can't say I got it. But hopefully we do. Fingers crossed. I'll keep y'all posted. One of the cool things about this van that I'll show you guys when I pass this corner here and pass this vehicle. So check this out. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Today's Thursday. Our second trip for the week. I just drive around?
Yeah, you just head to one of the bays over there. You'll see it once you get past the trucks.
Thanks, buddy. This place is called Fresh Realm. I'm not sure what they make here. I wonder. We're gonna find out. I'll be right back, B. All right? Can I get a paw? Thanks, buddy. Give you a treat for that. These are his favorite crunchy tubes. If anybody wants to donate to the Crunchy Tube Fund, these things ain't cheap, but he loves them. There you go, buddy. Be right back. How you doing?
Hi.
We're going to Bentonville, Arkansas.
You picking up something?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Bakersfield.
Bentonville.
I guess I'll let you know whenever I get an answer.
All right, I'm just right in there.
Okay.
Thank you, bro. It was cold in there, man. One big ass freezer. Definitely some type of food product. So I guess we'll find out. Maybe if I get hungry, I'll have a snack. Yeah, right.
We found what you're looking for. So as soon as they bring them up, we'll go ahead and put them on there.
All right, where you want me to park?
I don't know how heavy it is. You might need to back up to this dock right here.
Okay, cool. Thank you. So they found the shipment, and they said they're gonna load me up really quick. Watching the back door right there with my camera, which I like this really good because before I had a rear view camera, but it was inside the mirror and it would only come on when you hit reverse. So this is like a rear view camera mirror where it's always on, so while I'm driving it's actually helpful. And then this one right here, it shows me the rear as well as the front. And that records in 5-minute intervals, which is helpful if, you know, something ever happens. And down there, you see we got the GPS. I'll put my phone here sometimes. There he goes. Hopefully we're next. All right, let's do it. I'll be back, bub. That's it?
You want a pallet to put these on?
Nah, how many you got? That's cool. Now, a lot of people give me crap for helping them load or unload because as drivers and expediters, we're not supposed to touch freight. They're supposed to load it and unload it, and if we do touch it, we ask for a driver assist. But at the end of the day, if they're going to help me unload, and they didn't ask me to, I just kind of started doing it, you know, because I don't mind moving. I don't mind working a little bit harder if I have to or if I want to, you know what I mean? It's my choice. But if I do have to do it myself, then I do ask for a driver assist.
Was your appointment supposed to be at 10?
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock? Because the information we have is 10.
I mean, they mess up the information. I get different information every time, so.
Because that's what we have. I'm like, okay.
Well, I appreciate you guys getting it together for me.
Yeah, we got it ready last night. We got to wait for the veggies to come in this morning.
Okay.
So we put it back to 1 o'clock. So.
Yeah, sometimes they'll give me incorrect info all the time, so it could have been 10 o'clock, but they told me 8, so.
Where did that come from? Anyway, I'm just backing up your last block. Like, so.
Thank you.
What part of Florida?
Sarasota, like just south of Tampa. You know where it is?
My brother lived in St. Pete.
Okay, yeah.
I lived in Tampa for like 5 years.
Oh, yeah.
My home played golf in Tampa.
What you doing up here?
This home.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. That's been like 24 years.
I love it down there,
Me
man.
too. You go see me?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's do it. Hop on in, bro.
My cousin lives in Sarasota.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I lived there my whole life, man.
Yeah.
My nickname back home is Soda. That's like my nickname.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Hey, so do you get this route a lot?
Nah. Every day's different for me. So
How many times you been here?
first time.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh, that's the last one?
Yeah. Why I want to drive with care because all these are like very delicate samples.
Okay.
So
So don't do like donuts and like high-speed chases while I'm doing this one? All right. I'll hold off.
make sure you don't go to potholes and stuff.
Yeah, no problem. You guys got paperwork for this?
Yeah, he's getting
Okay.
it ready.
Thank you.
Huh?
Appreciate y'all help.
Oh, yeah, but I'm boxing him no more.
All boxes have a label on them, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
morning, good morning. We just got gas here at Casey's here in Springdale, Arkansas. It is currently 8:30 a.m. and I'm about to drop off a little side work we picked up last night. So I'll explain that to you right now after I get out of this parking lot. I don't know if you guys are familiar with the app called UShip, not to be confused with UShit, but I went on there last night and brokered a deal for some artwork, to haul some artwork from North Little Rock, Arkansas to here in Springdale. And it works out because, you know, Springdale's along the way and probably about 20 miles south of where I'm dropping off in Bentonville. So it works out just fine. I don't suggest going out of your way to try to get side jobs unless you have the time to do it, mainly because most expedited shipments, you know, you're sleeping 3 to 4 hours a night. That doesn't give you much play time to go 30 miles out of the way or even 10 miles out of the way or do anything to deviate from your original plan. Last night we had over 8-9 hours to spare, and I just had plenty of wiggle room and time to play with. So we made some extra money, $190 when it was all said and done, because she threw in 2 extra paintings. The app itself took out $34 from the $180 that we won on the bid. So it brought it down to like $140. So with the $50 she added in for the 2 small paintings, it was like $190 extra. So I'll take that. I'll take that all day. All right, we made it here to the Culinary and Innovation Center at the Walmart home office. Right now they're trying to tell me they're going to refuse the load because there's not a scheduled appointment. And they only have one appointment at 9:30. I will unload this myself right out here because they're taking this load. I wonder what would happen if they refuse it, if I have to broker another deal to take it back.
All right, yeah, I found you.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, but you're not here till 11.
11.
So 11 o'clock. So that's when that's why I couldn't find you early in the morning. So I scrolled down, and it's your appointment not till 11 o'clock. So give me about like 30 minutes.
Yeah.
I'm putting some stuff away. I could get you in earlier.
Thank you.
But can I go see what size of the big? Because I know it's
Yeah.
They said 6 boxes. And that says 8.
Yeah. There's the 2 smaller ones up top.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So there's 6 big boxes, and I guess they couldn't fit it all or whatever.
Yeah. Let me see.
I mean, I could lift them out with you. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
So,
no, because we're not authorized to offload you. You would have to offload it by yourself on the cart, on the
really?
pallet.
Okay.
Yeah, that's just specifications. Like that's just policy. We can't offload.
Okay.
And that's why when we have people come, they have to come to liftgate or part of the service because we don't have a standard dock. But yeah, give me 30 minutes. I'm putting stuff away. You're a bit early. I'm receiving some other stuff right now.
Thank you, man.
Give me about 30-40 minutes.
I'll park over here. I'll just.
You can park right next to this.
Okay, perfect.
This truck right here.
Cool.
And then I'll come out when I'm ready for you. Okay.
Thank you, bro.
All right.
All right, so here's a perfect example of when I would ask for a driver assist personally. When there's no one else there to help me, I'm gonna go ahead and ask for a few extra dollars. I asked for 75. I should have asked for 100 because I didn't even negotiate. They just said go ahead. You got the confirmation. So let's go ahead and let's get unloaded. All right, so the moment a lot of you guys wait for. This one's gonna be a little bit different because I went through a different carrier. You're gonna see the difference here. 790 total miles. The job paid $750. $0 for the dispatch fee. The carrier actually adds on a percentage on top of what I bid, so I got the $750 minus $152 for gas. That leaves us with $598. But then we also have to go ahead and add the $147.60 from UShip, as well as the $50 tip for the 2 extra paintings. That leaves us with $795.60. But then there's more on top of that because we also have to add in the driver assist for $75 and the Upside gas app, which came to $754 on that. Leaves us with $878.14. Sign and print there for me.
Anywhere?
Yeah, anywhere.